Hello, my good traders. Officially, I am back here on Leading Forex YouTube channel. It's been a while. Pardon me and forgive me for the silence. It hasn't been something myself I've been kind of cool with, but because of challenges that sometimes they are unforeseen, you have to adapt. So it's been a while you heard from me on this channel. Most of you are asking, when am I coming back? When will I start doing what I was doing? Officially, I am back. Today, 1st June, all I want to tell you is that 2024, we are beginning something very serious. Yes. Now, thanks be to God, I have been able to get the office I was looking for, and now everything is getting set. The interior work is what we are handling now, but I can't wait till we finish. And because of that, I want us to start talking. I want us to get back to the YouTube channel and begin to do something because we need to make money for the year 2024. So what is it like now that I am back? What are we going to be doing? First of all, our Sunday's market review will resume starting tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, 2nd of June. So we will resume our Sunday market review. That aside, we're also going to continue our tutorials on the Forex market and also on the crypto market. And once that happens, then you should begin to expect setups, trade setups, trades that I will take on my account. I am going to give you a demonstration of analysis, how I analyze the market and how I am able to come up with those trade setups so that it will add up to what you are doing or what you already know. Most of you think I have something hiding in terms of the strategy, in terms of how I take my trades. I do not have anything to hide. And that is how come we are going to be taking trade setups. Anytime I see a trade, I will make sure I'll do a video on it to explain and to analyze and to tell you why I am thinking of buying or selling that particular trade. Is that okay? So that also aside, already the Telegram channel is available, the free Telegram channel. You can join that by going to the description of my videos. You will see the Telegram link to join. Once you join that link, you can be able to enjoy my free signals. I have also created a WhatsApp channel. The WhatsApp channel is also available. You can actually join the WhatsApp channel. It is not a WhatsApp group, it is a WhatsApp channel. So search for Leading Forex GH on WhatsApp or Leading Forex on WhatsApp, and you will definitely get that channel. When you go to the channel column, that is where you can find Leading Forex channel. It's a public channel, so you can join. Once you search for it, you will be able to join. I will also put the link to that channel at the description of this video. And also, I have been able to secure a TikTok account. And the TikTok account, I'm also doing live videos over there and also sharing tutorial videos there. But those tutorial videos are a bit different from what I'm sharing with you on YouTube over here. So when you go on TikTok, you'll see samples of my videos that are also for tutorial purposes. Okay, now the TikTok handle is also Leading Forex. Leading Forex on TikTok. The Leading Forex, I have added GH. So Leading Forex GH on TikTok. Leading Forex GH on TikTok. You can follow me there for videos that will also help you in your Forex journey. So already, you can see that starting tomorrow, 2nd of June, this channel is going to get busy. And I can't wait for this year for all of us to make profit. But during my absence, what has been trading like? Have you been making profits or losses? Let's discuss. Tell me what your challenges are. I've already had a few of you in Nigeria telling me how your government is kind of restricting some trading activities. I know some applications and websites have been restricted. To those of you in Nigeria, Binance and some other brokers have been restricted for some of you in Nigeria. The reason is because your government think that most of you move your money from Naira to dollars and some other currencies. And because you are exchanging your money from Naira to the dollar, you are weakening the currency. That is what they think. But truth be told, that is not the whole thing. They will come to realize that is actually not the case. Because currencies, what they take to become strong or weak, they know. So whoever is giving them such an advice, I know they will come to realize the mistakes they are doing. Because in Ghana, we had a similar situation, but ours wasn't a ban of or a restriction of these apps or trading activities. No, but it was the physical brokers, guys who were into the Forex exchange, which to them was not legal. They were the ones they pursued. But later they realized that they were not the actual cause of the fall of our currency in Ghana. So they had to stop. I know the Nigerian government will soon realize this. But guys, I know a lot of you are taking the other ways to still be able to do Forex trading in Nigeria. I am not going to say it here, but a lot of you have found the way out to still get your feet on the trading market. So kudos to those of you who have found the way. There are several ways. Once they go up, we will go down. Once they decide to come down, we will go up. So those of you who have found other ways and other tricks to bypass the government restrictions to be able to trade, kudos to you. But there are so many other opportunities. Those of you in Nigeria, other brokers like Xness is still available. That one has not been restricted. Xness hasn't been restricted. So when you go to the description of this video or the description of my videos, you will be able to find the link or my referral link to Xness. So you can sign up with Xness and be able to use Xness to trade. So those of you who are looking for a broker to trade with in Nigeria, you can sign up with Xness. It is not restricted, but some other brokers are restricted, but Xness in Nigeria is available. So go to the description of any of my videos and you'll find the link to Xness. You'll see Broker One. Broker One is Xness referral link, and then use that to sign up and then be able to have a live account and get back on the Forex market. Is that okay? So let me once again welcome all of you and also say thank you for your patience. Those of you in the UK, in the US, in Canada, and all the countries, I want to salute all of you, and any other country that comes to watch or that come to watch my channel. I really appreciate. God bless all of us. And get ready, like I told you, for more videos. We are back, and I can't wait to get interactive with you. I can't wait to be able to do what I've been doing with you. So stick and stay for more videos. Officially, Kofi Dollar is back on your channel. I'll see you with a Sunday market review.